picking up some garden soil for my yacht. A yacht they're selling here at Rock and Soil is $60, so it's basically 2 scoop. And these are all the rocks that they have here. Pea gravel. They have a lot of rocks here, so come get yours, guys. I will have the link in the video description for detail of what they offer and pricing. It's best to call them directly. Loading one yacht of soil on my 5x8 feet trailer. It's a utility trailer that I got from Lowe's that takes 1,500 pounds load. So once they load your trailer, they're gonna come and take the payment. It's gonna be cash only. Actually, they do take card payment.
So it's 60.
Okay. $60. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'll be back. Alright, have a good one. Look at all the rocks they have here on display. Pretty nice. You guys wanna grab some rock in the Metairie area? This Rock and Soil, my favorite spot to get my stuff for the garden. Got back home safely. Now I'm gonna back it up into my driveway. Be filling this hole right here, and this I'll be filling up the soil on 4 of my raised bed garden. I got these raised garden bed from Northern 2 that was on sale. It's 4 by 12 feet, but I modified it to it's 12 feet by 3 feet. And later on I'm gonna be buying more of the small limestone that they are selling $55 half a yard and $120 for a whole yard. So probably gonna pick half yard and just filling around the walking area, so it's clean, not as muddy, and the limestone create a good property for your plants as well. So a quick tour of my garden. This lemon tree or flower, sergum cherry. Got some vegetarian here. Panna leaf and a bunch of edible plant here, fruits. This is a lemon. This is our finger lemon right here. It's a really rare plant and really good for fish sauce and dipping seafood. Alright guys, so quick tour. Got avocado over here, fig, more lemon, and aloe vera in there. And we got 2 turtle right here. Still have plenty of soil left. Move all the rocks from here to the other side, and I'm gonna add some more soil over here and add some stones, and we're gonna add some more soil on that side. Over here we have a papaya, a fig tree, and we gotta fill some more soil around the plants on this side. There's a lemon down there. Yeah, I got a small type of lemon tree. You can see the lemon here, or some type of plant, I'm not sure. There's a I think some fruit plant there, Thai pepper, flower plants, just flower too. Alright, I'm making a stop to get some sand here. And the river sand loaded. So this 5 by 8 feet trailer is rated for 1,500 pounds. So a yard of sand would be 2,400 pounds. So that's why I'm getting just half a yard. That would be 1,200 pounds. Sand are much heavier than garden soil. So garden soil I can get a full yard, but sand just half a yard. You spread it out yourself, make it even. So this much of sand is 15 bucks. Pretty good deal. Alright, we're heading out. Clear my Flip over sand here. Alright, let's get out here, guys.